Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to Bloom of Divinity for your fortnightly tarot readings. Let's begin your readings. So, the first card is for the work or the career guidance. The second card is for the financial guidance this fortnight. The third is for the relationship guidance this fortnight. And the fourth is for the fortnight in general. Along with this, the emotional guidance card for this fortnight. So, Scorpio, the cards that have come up for you this fortnight are Six of Wands, the Lovers, the Chariot, Page of Swords, and the emotional card is Success. So, Six of Wands and Success, they both are talking of the same thing. So, they are amplifying, they are like multiplying the results that are going to come. So, for this fortnight, what I would suggest you at workplace, do not have an attitude where you are following somebody. No, you have to be the person who has to lead the team, even if you do not have the authority or you are not in that position where you are the person who is supposed to lead the team. There might be a certain situation where you may not be in charge, but still you will in that particular situation you will pull out the team from that crisis or whatever is going on. So a lot of your knowledge is going to be the factor of bringing that success to the team. So a lot of success is coming to you this fortnight. In case if you are waiting for any acclaim at your workplace or any rewards, in like there are certain competitions where you are eligible to win an award. So there are very high chances that you will be nominated for that award and get that award also. So this fortnight you need to focus your whole attention in leading the people. Do not follow. Again saying, do not follow the people and just be a mass follower. No, you have to be a leader and a leader who takes the entire team along, not just once for strives for his own individual goals. No, you have to work for the entire team's benefit. For the financial guidance this fortnight, the card is Lovers. So you need to evaluate two options and make a decision over there. And for that, you need to see what you are going by your emotions or you are going making the decision very logically. So, but what I would suggest you is like the best path is the middle way. So do not ignore what the intuitions or the feelings that you are having about an investment, and do not go completely with those also and completely ignore knowledge. No, you need to know the facts also. So when you have some pluses of both the sides and cut out the negatives of both the sides. That's what I would suggest you for this financial guidance this fortnight. For relationships, there are two things that are focus, like where you are diverting your focus attention into. So right now, what you need to do is give away a little your a little of your comfort, and see to it that whatever you do it fully. You are fully committed to what you are doing. If in case the relationship was not working and you decided to move away from it, then again that is also good. But in case of the things you have decided to make that relationship work, so you need to pull in your full weight. You need to put in your full strength to make that work. So, and even if it is causing you a certain discomfort at of this moment, so those you cannot be living in the limbo all the time. You need to combine, and you need to make a solid decision. Your decision has to be like focused in one direction. You cannot go running in the loose and going left one for a little and then going right. No, you have to go straight only. And for the fortnight in general, the card is Page of Swords. Page of Swords here is advising not to act childish. This is not the fortnight where you can do things that are stupid and you can just go and start testing new things and do new things. No, if you, even if you want to do certain things, you need to find a place where you are doing that in complete isolation. If you, even if you wish to swing a sword in the air, do it. I won't say don't do it, but when, ensure that you are all by yourself. There's nobody who would get hurt by any accident also. Be very careful about that, and do not act funny. Like, do not act funny. That's still my advice to you. The emotional card is success. So whatever you do, have your ideas, your focus be on achieving success, doing things wherein like the result is only positive. Don't let that thought that yes, I would fail over here, there is a chance of failure over here. No, there is no scope of letting those kind of feelings come to mind, because those don't serve any purpose. Even the more we start thinking about it, the good deeds or the positive actions that we can do, we start pulling ourselves away from it. So don't do that. Keep your full energy focused on what you want to achieve, because that is coming to you. Your results, the desired, your wishes, they are going to get manifested. So keep your focus on the positive sides. So those were the cards for you for this fortnight.